Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie puff pastry. First, gather your ingredients. 1 sheet of puff pastry, 2 medium apples, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Select firm, tart apples like Granny Smith for a balanced taste. Make sure your puff pastry is thawed in the refrigerator, but remains cold to the touch for optimal flakiness and ease of use. Next, let's prepare the delicious apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing 2 medium apples. In a bowl, gently toss these apple slices with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and cook the apple mixture over medium heat for about 5 minutes, until the apples are slightly softened but still hold their shape. Now it's time to assemble your apple pie puff pastry. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out 1 sheet of thawed puff pastry into a square, approximately 10 by 10 inches. Carefully spoon the cooled apple filling onto 1/2 of the pastry, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. Fold the other half of the pastry over the filling, aligning the edges, and then firmly crimp them with a fork to seal. Finally, let's bake your beautiful apple pie puff pastry. Place the assembled pastry on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the pastry is puffed and golden brown. Let it cool for a few minutes before dusting with powdered sugar. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. Enjoy your warm, flaky treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.